Today I'm going to show you affiliate marketing method that works 100%. And how do I know it works? Because I am using this method. And this method is available worldwide. It is 100% free. It will only cost you a bit of time and a bit of work. But before we begin, I created a new Facebook group. I will leave you a link down in the description so you can join that group and learn some new ways of making money online. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. First, I wish to say, on the end of this video, I will give you an important tip that may help you to boost your earnings. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. So go on Google Trends and research that niche, go on Google Keyword, research that niche, and so on and so on. And like I said, research that niche. After that, after you research that niche, you need to find products in that niche that you can promote. And to find those products, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use Digital24, you can use Amazon, you can even apply this method to promote your blog, your website, or even an email list. But for this example, I am going to use Clickbank. So I'm here on Clickbank Marketplace. So let's say I'm in manifestation niche. Manifestation niche is huge, but competition in that niche is still not that big and it's not that strong. So I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to click here on spirituality and new age. And I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to click here must have affiliate tools page. Now this is important. And what you need to do, you need to go through these products, you need to go through their sales pages, affiliate tools pages, you need to go on Google and read some reviews, you need to research these products, and then based on those data, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here. As you can see, I can make $46 per sale on average. Gravity is good, it's 90. So I will open their affiliate tools page in the new tab to see are they actually giving me a tool that I am looking for. So let me just scroll through their affiliate tools pages to see are they actually giving me that tool that I'm looking for. So let me just scroll. Okay, let's scroll more, scroll. Okay. PPC keyword lists. That is exactly what I'm looking. So I'm going to click here to download that list. Okay, click OK to save it on my desktop. Now I opened this list and as you can see they gave us a list of keywords that are related to their product. Now you can do this by yourself, but they actually already did that to save our time so we don't have to go through this. And they actually divided these keywords into categories to make it even easier for us. So what you need to do, you need to research all of these keywords to see the potential, to see search volume and competition for each of these keywords. And like I said, you have to research these keywords, and yes, I know this process is boring, it is time consuming, but you have to do that. So let me just check this keyword here. How to attract a prosperity. So let me just copy this keyword here. I will copy this keyword and let me just go back and I will actually use Ahref keyword generator tool. Now this tool is absolutely free. So I will paste my keyword here, click here, find keywords, confirm you are not robot, give it a few seconds to actually process this, and let me just scroll. And as you can see, keyword difficulty is 22, which is good, but search volume is only 20, which is way too low. So we need to find another keyword. So let me just go back on the list. Let's just test this keyword here from different category. How to manifest instantly. Let me just copy this keyword, Control C, and go back on Ahref keyword research tool. And I will paste it here. Find keyword, confirm you are not robot. Now you will have to do this every time. It is annoying, but you have to do it. This is a free tool. So let me just scroll here. Okay, keyword difficulty is 15, but search volume is only 100, which is still too low. So we need to find another keyword. Like I said, this process is boring, it is time consuming, but you have to do that. So let me just test this keyword here, how to manifest money. Okay, let me just copy this, Control C, go back on Ahref keyword tool. I will paste my keyword here, click find keyword, confirm you are not robot, again, give it a few seconds to process this. Let me scroll here. Okay, keyword difficulty is only 6. Search volume is 1,600 people is searching this keyword every month in United States alone. So we are actually searching for keywords that have keyword difficulty below 30 and search volume above 1000. So this keyword is actually a good for us. How to manifest money. So this is a good keyword, but now we need to check competition, and for that we are going to use Uber Suggest. So here in search bar I will paste my main keyword, and that is how to manifest money, and click search and give it a few seconds to process this. And as you can see, okay, I need to confirm that I'm not software, so let me just click here and here and here and here again and this. Okay, and click this, and I need to do this again. Motorcycles, I don't see any motorcycles here. Okay, as you can see, results are different on Uber Suggest and Ahref, but they are similar. Search volume is 4,400, on Ahref is 1,600. SEO difficulty is significantly higher, but it is still possible to rank on first page on Google. 32 SEO difficulty is still very good. And this is what is important. The average web page that ranks in top 10 has 16 backlinks and domain authority of only 34, which means it is easy to rank on first page on Google for this keyword here. And when we scroll here, we will see more keywords that they are actually suggesting us. And as you can see here, how manifest money. Okay, search volume is 1900 and SEO difficulty is only 18. So this also can be a good keyword. So now when we have our product and when we have our keyword, now we need to write an article. Now to do that, you can simply pay someone on Fiverr or iWriter to write that article for you, or you can simply rewrite somebody else's article. To rewrite articles, you can go on Google and here in search bar just paste your main keyword. And that is how to manifest money. In this case, click search. And what you need to do, you need to go through these articles, you need to read them, you need to read this article, and you need to rewrite these articles, one of these articles. Let me just click on this first one here, for example, just to check it out to see is this actually a good article. So let me just scroll through this article. Okay, this looks like really informative, really good article that I could actually rewrite. So this is a good article. And please do not copy and paste these articles. Please rewrite these articles because these articles are not yours. You must write your own articles. So now when we have our article, we need to publish that article somewhere. And we are actually going to publish that article on a website called Vocal Media. Vocal Media is exactly the same like medium.com. So if you cannot register on medium.com for some reason or you are banned from medium.com, you can simply come on Vocal Media and register here. And like I said, it is exactly the same like medium.com. But let me first show you potential of Vocal Media. When we go on similar web, we will see that Vocal Media got almost 3 million visits last month. And when we scroll here, we will see that almost 60% of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. And here we can see that 62% of their traffic is actually search traffic, and that is the best kind of traffic. And why we are publishing our article on Vocal Media? When we go back on Uber Suggest and scroll here, we will see that websites that are ranking on first page on Google have domain authority of 34. And when we go on Ahref Authority Checker, we will see that Vocal Media have domain authority of 76. That is twice as better as average on first page on Google. And that is why we are publishing our article on Vocal Media. Now to publish article, simply click here on Create Story. And first thing you need to do, you need to add title. Now for this example alone, I will just copy this article here. But like I said, you must rewrite these articles. I'm doing this, I'm copying this article just for this video. I will immediately delete this article after I make this video. So please rewrite these articles. So I will paste title here and I need to add subtitle. So I will go back here and I will copy this here, Control C and paste it here. Now, I always suggest to open your articles with interesting and eye-catchy photos. Now, you can upload your photos, you can embed videos, or you can use Unsplash. I always suggest to use Unsplash because in that way you will avoid copyright issues. Unsplash has a copyright-free photos. So here in search bar, just type your main keyword, let's say money in this case, and click search, and Unsplash will suggest you some money related photos. Click here next to upload even more photos. So let's say I wish to use this one here. Just click on it, and as you can see, it's instantly added to your vocal media article. And now you need to actually write your article. So I will go back here and I will just copy this. Copy, go back on vocal media and paste my article here. Now you can add another photo if you wish. Just click here and then click on this plus here, and you can add photos, embed links, and use Unsplash. Now to add your affiliate link in vocal media article, all you have to do is just highlight the keyword that you wish. Let's say this one here, for example, and click on this little chain and paste your affiliate link here. Clickbank affiliate link, Digital24 affiliate link, JVZoo affiliate link, or whatever you want. And press enter, and that's it. You will add your affiliate link in vocal media article. And on the end of this article, you must add a disclaimer that this article contains affiliate link, and that if someone click on that link and buys that product, you will earn a commission. Now, after you finish everything and you are satisfied how this article looks, all you have to do is just click here on Save Changes, and then click here Submit for Review. And you need to choose your community. So let me just find the right community. Let me scroll through this. Okay, let me scroll to find the right one. Okay, we can use motivation for this example. Now we need to add tags to help readers to find our story. So let me just find the right tags. I can use goals, for example. Let me just find more tags. You can just scroll through this. Let's say self-help. And that's it. And after that, just click here, submit for review, and you will submit this article for review. Now, on vocal media, articles are not published immediately. They are actually manually reviewing all of the articles, and that takes up to 24 hours. It usually takes just 4 or 5 it usually takes just 4 or 5 hours, but they give you up to 24 hours to review your article and to publish your article. And that is why it is important for your article to be 100% unique and to use royalty-free photos and to follow vocal media rules, because otherwise your article won't be published. Now, this is the tip that I promised you on the beginning of this video. Now, immediately after your article is published on vocal media, what you need to do, you need to go and you need to promote that story. So go on related Facebook groups, go on Instagram, go on Twitter, go on Pinterest, go on related forums and promote that story. Because in that case, vocal media will mark your story as a hot story, and then vocal media will drive few thousand, sometimes 5, sometimes even 10,000 free readers to your vocal media story totally free. In that way, you will get even more clicks to your affiliate link, and you will get even more sales, and you will make even more money. So this is how you drive free traffic to your affiliate stories without a website. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.